Hello student, have a good day. In the topic carboxylic acid and their derivative, yesterday I am discussing with you acetyl chloride. This is the acid derivative of acetic acid. Then today I am discussing with you acid anhydride derivative. This derivative is also derived from acetic acid. Acetic anhydride is colorless, pungent smelling liquid, insoluble in water. It is not as reactive as acetyl chloride and does not fume in moist air. Like acetyl chloride, it reacts with alcohol, phenol, and amine, though less reactive. Normally, acetylation using acetic anhydride is carried out in the presence of sodium acetate or concentrated sulfuric acid as a catalyst. Then I am showing this general formula for acetic anhydride: RCOOCOR. Acid chloride anhydrides are named by adding the word anhydride after the IUPAC name of the acid. Then two molecules of acetic acid release water molecule formation of a acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride, IUPAC name of acetic anhydride is the ethanoic anhydride. Then if succinic acid is heated, it lose water molecule form succinic anhydride. And the IUPAC name of the succinic anhydride is the butanediol anhydride. Then in case of phthalic acid, benzene ring attached to COH group. The structure is the phthalic acid, and if phthalic acid is heated, it releases water molecule formation of phthalic anhydride. IUPAC name of phthalic anhydride is the orthobenzene dioic anhydride. Then I am showing here structure of the acetic anhydride: CH3COO-COCH3. This is the acetic anhydride. Then methods of preparation. Here, first method, by dehydration of acetic acid. Dehydration means removal of a water molecule. Here, vapors of acetic acid is passed over phosphorus pentoxide, P2O5. This is the dehydrating agent, P2O5. It gives the acetic anhydride with removal of a water molecule. For this reaction, I am showing two molecules of acetic acid, CH3COH, CH3COH. I am showing in colored releasing water molecule. These two molecules of acetic acid when heated with phosphorus pentoxide, dehydrating agent, formation of acetic anhydride by releasing water molecule, that is CH3COO-COCH3. This is the method of formation of acetic anhydride. Then after preparation, we study here chemical reactions of acetic anhydride. Then similar to the acetyl chloride, I am showing you reaction with water, reaction with alcohol, and reaction with ammonia. Therefore, first I am showing here reaction with water. Acetic anhydride CH3COO-COCH3 plus water, formation of a two molecules of acetic acid. Means this is the reversible reaction of dehydration reaction. If two molecules of acetic acid release water molecule, formation of acetic anhydride, and if acetic anhydride adds water molecule, formation of a two molecules of a acetic acid. Then after reaction with water, second reaction with alcohol. Therefore I am showing here CH3COO-COCH3 react with alcohol, that is ethanol or ethyl alcohol. Here breaking of the bond, I am showing here CH3COO bond breaking and formation of CH3COO-C2H5, that is ethyl acetate, and acetic acid is the CH3COOH. This is the reaction with alcohol. Then third reaction with ammonia. Here ammonia rapidly reacts with acetic anhydride to give amide. Therefore acetic anhydride react with ammonia. I am showing the structure of ammonia like this: HNH2, one H attached to the CH3CO group and NH2 attached to another CH2CO group by formation of a acetamide, that is CH3CO NH2. Here CO and O bond break, formation of a acetamide plus one molecule of a acetic acid, that is CH3COOH. These are the reactions of acetic anhydride with water, with alcohol, and with ammonia. With ammonia it form acetamide, with alcohol it form ester, and with water it form two molecules of a acetic acid. Then after chemical reaction, last point in this topic is the uses of acetic anhydride. Here acetic anhydride as an acetylating agent for the manufacture of dyes, cellulose acetate, etc. And second use of acetic anhydride, it is used in the manufacture of aspirin and some drugs. Here topic is completed. The next lecture I am starting a new topic, that is the stereochemistry, unit number 4. Thank you for listening.